Hi guys, hello everyone. Coming up season 2, everyone. We just want to talk a little bit vital information to everyone. Kind of the things that we can be able to learn in life. It's just that how can your light be able to shine in other people's life? For instance, Nikola Tesla, he tried to bring the light to other people, but he has tried a lot in many various ways, but he couldn't. And there are some other people that trust in him. There are some other people that don't trust in him. So this is just a little bit similar that we can be able to learn from Nikola Tesla. He is the one that brings the light today that we all are enjoying today. But it doesn't really mean that someone will have to pass on. At the end of the day, we can be sharing and other things. I'm not saying to not be sharing, but the greatest thing is that when someone is in our life, showcase with the person love, care, light, and bring that someone light to it. This is what we can do it. The greatest things that we can be able to do in life is just to bring your light to other people's life, to benefit from them, let other people showcase. If you see what other brother is doing, help him in other places succeed. Is it footballer? Is it music? Name it in every area. So these are just a simple, a bit message to everyone. So if it's the first time seeing my video, please love and share and like to my YouTube channel. I'm CEO of Financial Unique App Plus. My Facebook is called Starcoach Luck, and that is the same name in my YouTube channel. In my page, please follow me up. So that is it. So let us learn how to love one another, showcase. So that is it. I did a natural unique product to treat our medicine for natural health living. It has been using for long. It's not today. So what are you passing through? Is it stroke, diabetes, whatsoever, anemia? So just check on us. So we try. God is the most everything. Thank you.